Today we have the pleasure of talking with former IBF World Flyweight Champion Rolando Bohol from Las Vegas, Nevada. Champ, how have you been?
I'm good. I've been doing good recently, and especially I just meet my daughter after 28 years, and finally I reunited with her.
How did that? What happened? How come you were separated for so long?
No, it's a long story. Yes, they're in the Philippines. Went to school there after they finished the college, and after the college, and then I think 3 or 4 years ago, they immigrated to San Francisco because she got married to my son-in-law, and have got 2 children. That's what. And then I think maybe 3 or 4 months ago, they decided to move to San Jose. Then when my mother passed away last week, and everybody reconnected. Then they sent me a message. So they want to go to Las Vegas to meet me. That's it.
Champ, what made you decide to stay in the United States after your boxing career?
Yeah, actually, even before I retire, when Mrs. Elorde still alive, I told her that when I'm ready to retire, I want to live in the United States for about maybe 5 to 10 years. And then if I'm not successful, then I'm going back home. And then she told me, I remember she told me that why you have to stay in the United States? You have a good life in the Philippines. And then I said that, I just want to try. I just want to experience how good to live in the United States. If I'm not comfortable, then going back home.
Lately, you've also gone online. You've also done. You're doing this Champ TV. What brought that about? What was the decision to do that, and what do you like about it?
Yeah, I love it. Actually, I'm enjoying it. And then I reconnected to all these former boxers. I managed to interview Luisito Espinosa, and then also Donny Ahasnites. I interviewed Donny Ahasnites, Nonoy Neri, the trainer of Pacquiao, and also our beloved Olympian, basketball Olympian, former Senator Freddie Wade. Yeah, I interviewed him last month, I think, at the Champ TV. And then the movie actor, what's his name, Gary Lim, and Dindo Arroyo, yeah, and more. And then also my co-host, Joy Santos. Joy Santos.
You mentioned Manny Pacquiao. No? He's now running for president. In your opinion, what is going to happen to Philippine boxing now that Manny Pacquiao, sort of the figurehead for Philippine boxing worldwide, has retired? What's going to happen to Philippine boxing?
Manny Pacquiao is a big deal in Philippine boxing. He contributes a lot. His achievements is no doubt. Nobody, as for me, I think nobody can match that at this time. And then thanks to him for making us proud Filipinos.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot for your time, Champ. And as always, we wish you the best of health and the best of success there in Las Vegas.
Thank you very much, and likewise. And God bless your family as well, and all our kababayans in the Philippines and also around the world.
Okay. Thanks, Roland. Take care.